There's already plenty to love about the Honda Civic, but maybe you're looking for something with more control, more color, more you. Meet the 2019 Civic Coupe Sport in stunning new tonic yellow. From front to back, the Sport Edition Civic Coupe has a style all its own. It's got a low, wide stance in the front with black and chrome accents on the front wing and fog lights, and slim profile headlights that feature the auto high beam function for easier driving at night. Everything sits on exclusive sport design dark 18-inch alloy wheels that help it stand out and hug the road at every turn. The Civic Coupe Sport is a standout on the inside too. In the driver's seat, you have total control of everything. There's steering wheel mounted buttons to help access Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the volume dial and tactile fan speed buttons are easy to reach and adjust without looking down. In the Civic Coupe Sport, you can feel the full performance of the 2-liter engine through the aluminum sport pedals and a leather-wrapped shifter knob. With the amazing quality and performance you've come to expect from Honda, it's no wonder the Civic has been the best-selling car.